Need a fast, easy way to evaluate any VMware product? You're ready for VMware's Hands-on Labs. Hands-on Labs delivers a live, guided, and fully operational environment for you to experience and explore. Labs are 100% free. That's right, no credit card required. And all labs are accessible through your web browser. No licenses, downloads, or special software required. This means you get going in minutes, no matter your location. To top it off, the Hands-on Labs are updated year-round to reflect the latest version of our VMware products. Join the thousands of IT professionals who are already experiencing the full range of VMware products. Try our products in the convenience of your browser in minutes. We know that your time is precious, so we've designed bite-sized lightning labs. These 15 to 30-minute modular labs enable you to explore VMware products in smaller segments of time. These bite-sized labs are the fastest and easiest way to learn about core VMware product features. Dive deep into VMware products' features and capabilities with our full guided labs. Comprehensive labs range from getting started to advanced topics, use cases, and more. Ready to test your skills against other IT practitioners around the world? Odyssey Game Labs let you challenge and showcase your expert knowledge. Odyssey is a fun way to test your VMware technical skill. Compete against the best and see where you stand on the global leaderboard. Use VMware Hands-on Labs to prove concepts, test use cases, validate features, prepare for certifications, and learn about VMware's latest products and their features. Fast, free, and comprehensive. VMware Hands-on Labs is the best way to experience, evaluate, and try VMware products. Available for you to take at your own speed whenever you want. Hands-on Labs is online 24/7, 365 days a year. Learn more about VMware Hands-on Labs at hol.vmware.com.